What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you 3 ways that Google will love your business and so will your clients. Watch this. I dedicate this video to my good friend, Darren Marion. Darren, I love you, brother. All right, guys, let's get a rockin' today. So today I'm going to use the keyword cabinet makers. As you could see, I typed into Google and I'm looking for brand new cabinets. So we're going to check this out. So these are 3 things that you could do today, like in the next 10 minutes, to greatly improve your appearance online, your click-through, and possibly your Google rankings. So watch these 3 things. Let's take a look at NY cabinets. And if we take a look at the pictures, right, on NY cabinets. Look how beautiful these pictures are. They're the pictures of his work or her work, right? Pictures of their work, the pictures of the outside of the store. It looks really professional, well laid out, 74 Google reviews. They have a 4.9, meaning that they're doing real good. So let's take a look at the next one, and I want to compare the 2, and then I want you to look at yours. All right, so I did some searching around, scroll down to the bottom, and I found Fabuwood Cabinetry Corp, and I'm sure they're great, right? But look at the pictures that they're using. This is a picture, I don't know what this is a picture of, right? But look at the pictures that they're using. 9 Google reviews, only a 4.2. And you may be in this situation. It's the reason why I'm bringing this up. You may take a look at yours and go, wow, I never noticed that my pictures were really messed up. They weren't best representing me. And I only have 9 Google reviews. I say it in almost every video. I don't know what's more important. Money or a 5-star Google review. Like, they're both at the same level. It's like what came first, the chicken or the egg, right? You're not going, in the future, you're not going to get money without having the reviews. Like, there's no way in the next 5 years a business with 9 reviews and a 4.2 is gonna stay in business when everybody else has, 3, 4, 5,000 reviews and they're at a 4.8 to a 5.0. It's just not gonna work. So I want you to work on, the first thing I want you to do is I'm gonna show you how to upload new pictures. Now, the first thing you do is you just go to google.com/business and you log into your Google business profile. So you're gonna get into a page that looks like this. It's only gonna look like this when you type in your Google business profile if you're logged into that account. So you have to make sure that you're logged into the email account you registered your Google business profile in. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to click right here. See where it says add a photo? Right here. You're going to click here, you're going to click add a photo, and you see right here where it says your cover photo? You're going to click cover photo. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select a photo, a better photo, like the outside of your building, maybe the picture that you want to show your clients that best represents your business, right? A really nice, clean photo like New York Cabinet had. Okay, so that's the first thing you do. Now, the second thing that you do is go to add photo, upload your logo, and also try to upload like 10 new pictures a month, 10 to 15 new pictures a month. Try to do that each and every month. That's something that you really want to do. It shows Google that you're keeping up on your business profile, and it's also keeping it fresh for your clients who are looking at you, right? If you were looking to buy cabinets, and this is nothing against Fabuwood, they just are so busy. I'm sure they're so busy with business that they haven't had a chance to, update their website. But if you click this, I can't see anybody saying, "Wow, this would be the company that I'd wanna get a quote from," as compared to NY Cabinets, right? So let's change those pictures right away. Hey guys, if this content is helping you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is get reviews. You know, I spoke with a potential client last week who had maybe 10 or 11 reviews, and they explained to me how hard it was to get reviews. So I asked them what their process was. And basically he said after the job, he politely asks for a review. Well, I got news for you. Most people do not know how to find how to review your business, right? You really have to help them. And in this part of the video, I'd like to show you what you can do, what I tell my clients to do to get the best reviews. So once again, you just log into your Google Business profile, and on the bottom, it's right here on the bottom, the last link is ask for reviews. Now let me just show you a very simple trick. You click ask for reviews, and then you copy your review link. See how we do that right here? We copy the review link. Now, let me see if I could explain this as uncomplicated as possible. What I like to do is I'd like to take that link and email it to myself, because once I email it to myself, I'm able to retrieve it on my cell phone. Now, what I do next is I take that link. Once I open up the email, I take that link and I copy it. I just hold it down and copy it. Then I open up my text message and I text message it to myself, the review link. So I have that link stored on my phone. Now, what you can do is you could take that link. So you just finished a job, you finished a tree removal or a pressure washing job, and you go to Miss Smith. You say, after this job, would you please, if I did a good job, would you please give me a Google 5-star review? I'm going to text you the link. And you take that link and you just text it over. Now, if they haven't done it by the time you finished, as you're writing out the invoice or collecting the money, you politely ask, hey, would you mind doing that 5-star review? And if you need help with it, I could give you a hand. Because some people aren't writers and they don't know what to write. Now, you want to include a couple of things in the review, and this is very, very important. The service that was performed. So John from NY Cabinet installed brand new cabinets, kitchen cabinets and a bathroom cabinets in my home, right? You want to add that. You want to add the area possibly that you live in. You want to add the person's name, and you want to add the company that you're doing business with. So the people that are writing the reviews don't necessarily know to add those things in, but you know. So there may be a time where it may be easier, right, if they don't know what to write, for you actually to say, hey, is this okay? I hired John from NY Cabinets to design a cabinets for my kitchen and my bathroom. They hung the cabinets, they were perfect, stuff like that. I live in South Beach, and all my neighbors love my new cabinets. Something like that, right? Something like that. So that's what you want to do. You want to add those factors in. There's nothing worse than a 5-star review that said they were great. It does nothing for no one, right? But all your reviews cannot be optimized. You can't have 50 reviews and they're all 100% optimized. It doesn't look real to Google, and it doesn't look real to the people looking at your reviews. So it's okay to have a couple, John was great, right? But it is really important, guys, from this point on to take that review link, and when you finish a job, you need to get a review from your clients. I'm going to say it again. You need to get reviews from your clients. It is really important. Nobody is going to, let's go back here, right? Nobody is going to pick somebody that has 1 or 2 reviews. Even if a company like mine were to get you in the Google 3-pack and you had 3 or 4 reviews, you're not going to compete with somebody who has 75. Right? So if you learned anything out of this video so far, is you have to get reviews. You have to get reviews. You have to update your pictures. And then I'm going to show you a very small trick, right? A very, very small trick. You know what? I'll show it to you right now. Let me show it to you right now. So this is Tampa. And according to Google, around this red line, right around here, around this red line is everything that Google considers Tampa. Right? Everything here. Now, however, there are people that live right here in Clearwater or Dunedin, Palm Harbor. If you ask them where they're from, they'll tell you Tampa. However, Tampa is not within the green, within the red line. Right? So it is really important that you type your area in and make sure that your business is located inside this red area. If you're from Greater Carrollwood, right here, you're not in Tampa. And you may say to yourself, well, what's the difference? The difference is if you're trying to rank in Tampa for pressure washing, it's going to be really hard. Not impossible, right? Not impossible, but for the average person, it's going to be really hard for you to break proximity out of Greater Carrollwood because you haven't even started to rank in Carrollwood yet, and you're trying to rank in Tampa because you think you're in Tampa, right? I really hope that makes sense to you because I speak with a lot of people that are trying to rank in the Google 3-pack, and I ask them what their area is. And once I do a Google Maps on their area, they're not located where they think they're located. West Chase over here in the left-hand side is not Tampa. I mean, technically it is. This whole area is Tampa, but it's within the red lines, right? It's within the red lines. So 3 things, guys. Update your pictures. So when people view your pictures, they get, the best pictures, the best representation of your company. Get reviews. You're not going to win this game with 9 reviews. You got to every day get reviews. Every single day get reviews. And the third thing is start to rank in your area where you're located. Right? Not where you think you're located. And the last and most important thing is that you're good to your family. You make sure you always kiss your wife, kiss your kids. This Google ranking stuff is really hard. I understand that. I understand how hard it is, but don't take it out on your family. You're coming here, you're watching videos. Every day you're improving your business. Right? These 3 things take about 10 minutes, but you just improved your business by 3% today by doing these 3 things. Tomorrow you do another 1 or 2 things, that's another 1 or 2%. So you're always getting better. I'm proud of you for watching these type of videos. I know they're not easy to watch, especially when you have 100 other things to do, right? If there's anything I could do to help you, please feel free. You see my text, just shoot me a text, shoot me over your website, let me know what's going on. I'll be happy to take a look at it. Most people I don't work with because they're either too far away. Like I can't work with somebody that has 9 reviews and they're going against the competition that has 300 reviews. It's going to take forever for you to catch up, right? So I only work with the people that I feel I could win. If not, I'll give you really good advice as to how you could do it. Once you get to a certain point, you come to me and we'll get you over the finish line for sure. All my clients rank. All my clients rank, right? They're all ranking in the Google 3-pack. So I want you to rank in the Google 3-pack. Hopefully these tips helped you. But the most important tip is to be good to your family, right? Be good to your family. That's the best thing that you could do. Guys, have a great day and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.